Your firm has acquired a new business unit, Company A, which maintains its own security processes. You have already integrated their log data and security detection rules into Google Security Operations. Now, you need to onboard Company A's analysts. The requirements for this onboarding are, first, restrict their visibility to only their own case data. Second, allow them to leverage pre-existing playbooks from your internal library. And third, minimize administrative burden. What action should you perform first?
Okay, let's take a look at this question. Company A acquires Company B. Company A operational staff is new to Google SecOps and needs access to Company A's data. What is the best method to provide Company A analysts with access to Company A data while preventing analysts from viewing Company A data? Option A, purchase an additional Google SecOps SOAR tenant specifically for the acquired firm. Option B, create an identity service account dedicated to Company A personnel. Option C, establish a specialized SOC access control role for Company A analysts. Option D, configure a distinct Google SecOps SOAR environment dedicated to Company A. All right, let's examine each option separately. Option A suggests purchasing an additional Google SecOps tenant. This would be too expensive and unnecessary for this problem. Option B suggests creating an identity service account. Identity service accounts wouldn't allow us to structure access controls in this way. Option C suggests establishing a specialized SOC access control role for Company A analysts. This is the most appropriate option, as it would allow us to provide access to specific data without revealing other data. Option D suggests configuring a distinct Google SecOps SOAR environment dedicated to Company A. This option is incorrect, as it would cause too much duplication of effort. So the correct answer is option C, establishing a specialized SOC access control role for Company A analysts.
This question explores how we manage multi-tenancy within a security operations platform. It focuses on balancing data isolation, where different groups need separate views of their sensitive security cases, with the need for operational efficiency, such as sharing standardized automation tools like playbooks across the entire organization without creating excessive maintenance tasks.
In my view, the correct answer is option D, configuring a distinct Google SecOps SOAR environment dedicated to Company A. In Google Security Operations SOAR, environments serve as the primary mechanism for isolating case data while enabling resource sharing across different business units or acquired entities. By creating a distinct environment, you achieve the necessary logical separation of cases, which ensures that Company A analysts only access their own data. Crucially, playbooks remain modular, allowing them to be shared across these environments. This approach meets your requirements for both isolation and reuse without the overhead of managing multiple separate tenants.
Why are the other options incorrect? Purchasing an additional tenant, mentioned in option A, adds significant administrative burden and cost. Options B and C, which suggest creating service accounts or specialized roles, are necessary downstream administrative steps, but they cannot effectively provide the required data isolation on their own until the underlying environment structure is established.